Co-op programs provide students with practical, real-world experience in their field of study. This hands-on experience allows students to apply theoretical knowledge gained in the classrooms to actual work situations, enhancing their understanding and skills development. It enables them to develop and refine essential skills relevant to their chosen profession that contribute to one's readiness of the workforce. Through their placements, students can expand their professional networks and establish valuable contacts.
Co-op programs offer students with the opportunity to explore different career paths and trajectories without committing to a specific job. This allows students to take informed career decisions and discover their areas of interest. The students' domains are psychology, architecture, electrical engineering, software engineering, and business and supply chain. We have received an overwhelming response from industry professionals and are also excited to be a part of this new initiative at UMT. We extend heartfelt congratulations to all the participants who have secured placements in their respective fields.
We are so proud to announce that 33 students have achieved the co-op placements in esteemed organizations for the spring 2024 session.
Good luck, and remember, your success is within reach with co-op.